Hi there folks, it's Bob Cassie from Mission Overland. We're here to show you our 2023 Summit. So we have our Truma fridge freezer, easy to slide in, easy to store. Then we move to our Dometic stove and our sink. These are all slide-ins, very easy to operate. Your propane stove hooks to the propane tanks up front. Your sink, again, hot and cold water, which runs off our 37-gallon water tank. As we move around, you'll see our heavy-duty suspension. So we have 17-inch wheels with a heavy-duty Timberin suspension, 22-inch clearance. We have skid plates from front to back. So very robust, and yet skid plates will keep you covered for traveling over rough roads and branches and trees. As you notice, we have a 270-degree awning. This is all standard on our Summits. This is from OVS. As we move around to the rear, we'll step into the trailer. So inside here, we have a lot of great usable space. We have a nice butcher block table, which folds down, into this area, which will give you the ability for a full queen bed. Very comfortable. All LED lighting. We have beautiful windows here with nice ability for shades at night and also for screens. Again, over 7 feet space. So plenty of room to get changed, move around. We have a nice ceiling fan. All of our units come with smoke detectors. We have a fire extinguisher, carbon monoxide. Everything is all aluminum construction, heavy duty trailer. On the outside, we have our plug-in for shore power when you're at a campsite or you're at home. We have a port here for your air conditioning for zero breeze, which is an option. We have our 37-gallon water tank for fresh water to run your shower and your sink on the other side of the trailer. Here we have our Truma heating system, which also heats your furnace inside and your water on the other side. Again, we have an outdoor shower, which folds out to about 3 feet off the trailer. Here's your hot and cold connector, which will give you a nice shower in the morning. As we move further in, we have an access door here to get at your services for your water system and some electrical, all heavy duty latches. As we move over to our cargo area, this is where we have our battery storage. So right now we have a 100 amp hour lithium battery with our Victron system, and this can all be managed on your phone on Bluetooth through the Victron app, which will tell you what your consumption is for battery power and also what your solar power would be charging at. As we move around to the front, we have 2 propane cylinders, one on either side, 11-pound cylinders, our spare tire. Plenty of cargo carrying space here up front. And then as we move up to the rooftop, right now we just have a fan on the roof, but we have options for low profile roof racks, air conditioning, and also solar panel. So plenty of options there, depending on what the customer is looking for. Then we move to the front of the trailer. We have here which is called a max coupler. This is something we've been using since the beginning of our trailers. Very nice, easy system, to hook up and pull your trailer. And you can catch all this information on our website at www.missionoverland.ca and let us know what you think and send us your questions. Thank you very much.